Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a Dollar Tree haul, and I've got lots of goodies, Halloween stuff, and some household stuff. But first, let me share with you before we get started, the nice people at Rose Forever sent me this beautiful Parisian Hat Box. It's black velvet and it has a surprise on the inside. Let me pop the lid off. It has these beautiful preserved roses in it. This is one, it has 8 pink roses in it. They come in all different colors. They are just beautiful, and they are real roses. They are not artificial. They've been preserved. They tell about on their website the process they use and everything, and they are just gorgeous. And they should, the website says they should last up to a year if kept out of direct sunlight and you try to keep your hands off it. But I just want to touch them. But anyway, they're just lovely, and I'm gonna keep these in my home. I had thought that maybe I would give them away, but they're just so pretty I have to keep them. I'm a sucker for roses, so I'm going to display these in my home, and I may show upcoming DIY where I'm not going to take them out of the box, but I may decorate the box to make it more country themed. My house is not really chic enough for this beautiful black velvet box, but anyway, the little container fits down in the lid so you can display them, and it is just gorgeous. So just look in the description box below and you'll see a link to their website, and I think they're going to send me a discount code and I can put down there so y'all can take a look at them, but they are gorgeous. Okay, let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. I got a lot of different stuff in here. I got some cool Halloween stuff for some crafts too. I got the 3-piece of witch's brooms. Those are really cute. And I picked up a yellow rectangle tablecloth, which I'm hoping to transform into a wreath, but we'll see how that turns out. And I picked up one of these cool new, this is the silver color wreath. It's a 14-inch. This is in addition to the regular green ones that you get, and they have a gold color one too, so I picked up the silver one. And then I picked up these 2 really cute Votive candle holders with the pumpkins, the metallic pumpkins on them. And they had these in different colors also. I think they had maybe it was green, I can't remember now, but I know they had a black one, and then they had these, and I just thought these were so cute, so I picked those up. And I picked up this really cute little black cat squishy. It's so cute. And I picked up some of these great photo frames. These are the 8x10 with the wood on it. I picked up 3 of those. I'm going to print out some pictures for my son, and I thought those would look good on the pictures I'm going to print. And then I found this gorgeous little llama. It is so cute. Or she. I guess it's a she because she has flowers in her hair. But, you know, it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to add that to my collection. And then I got my bag of goodies over here. Let me put it over here. Oh, let's see. These weren't in the bag. I got just 2 of the plain white pillar candles. Those are always good to have. And it is hurricane season. So if y'all are facing a storm, I think we have Hurricane Sally is the next one that's headed our way. So but I think we're just going to get rain off of it. So then I picked up the pack of the Crafter Square 3 witch hat picks. Those are really cute. And I picked up the diamond wrap 6 feet. This is always good to have on hand, so I thought I might bling something up a little bit. This cool cup. I guess, yeah, it's got a straw in it, but I'm not going to use it as a cup. I'm going to try to transform it, so we'll see what we can make out of it. But he is kind of spooky. And they had these in, I think, black, all black, and then they had the silver with the black. So they have just loads of Halloween stuff. And I was able to find only one of the potion bottles I've been seeing everybody. This is the Zombie Brew 1902. So I thought those were adorable. So I picked that up, and What else have I got in the bag? Oh, I got some of the spider rings with the jewels on them. Those are good to have in, like, if you're giving out little Halloween packs, or it's 10 pieces, so that's good to have. But I'm going to try to do a craft with those. And then I picked up these cool gemstone sticker designs with these stars on it. Those will be great for Christmas coming up. So I picked up some of those. And I found the metal decor crafter square haunted, spooky, and beware. So those. And these are really cool. I've never seen these before. It's the folding lantern with LED tea light. I'm going to try to make those, see how they look. I might make one at the end of this video, put it together, and you can see how it looks. And then there's the, this one is the haunted house, and this one is Let's Get Spooky with the kitty cat on it. So, pick up those two. And I don't know if there were any other ones. That's the only two I saw. And then I got the two decor skulls on the little stands. So we're going to make something out of those. And I think that might be all of my Halloweeny stuff. I think the rest of this is just household stuff, so we'll just go through it real quick. I got my babies a treat. I got them the Gravy Train jerky strips, and these are made in the USA, so I got those. Oh, and you hear the puppies. I said jerky treats, and they all ran in here. And I got the Canine Carryouts shoe bones. These are also produced in Topeka, Kansas, so American made. And I picked up some of the Scrub Buddies medium-sized gloves. I love these. And a brand new strainer colander from Betty Crocker. These are always good to have. And I found these, which I'm going to try to print something on. They are the satin pillowcases, the home collection, 20-inch by 30-inch, and they are 100% polyester. So I ought to be able to sublimate a picture onto these. I'm going to try to do something. I don't know if I'm going to do Halloween or fall, but I thought I'd give those a try. And I picked up the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Miracle Blotting Cushion. Smooth and perfect. Ideal for liquid foundations or cushion foundations. So I picked those up to give them a try. And I got a nail file. This is the Diamond Cosmetics wide board grinding coarse and medium grit. I got this to do some sanding in my dollhouse. I thought this would be easier to do the corners and things that I need to do other than a piece of sandpaper. So, and then I picked up some foam plates, just the 40 count foam plates. And then I got another light from my dollhouse. These are $1, and they make the cutest little wall sconces in a dollhouse, and a dollhouse lamp will cost you $13. This costs $1, so I'm going to see if I can make this work in my dollhouse. And the last thing I got was this cute little tabletop desktop arcade game. Skee-ball. I love skee-ball. Every time we go to Myrtle Beach, which is our go-to beach, we always go and play skee-ball at the Gay Dolphin Arcade. So if any of y'all been to Myrtle Beach, y'all know what I'm talking about. So I picked that up. And that is it, y'all. That's all my goodies for this time. Stay tuned. I have some DIYs coming up, and I am going to do some more paint pouring. I really enjoyed that. I'm going to have a Halloween wreath coming up, and then some more decor stuff. So y'all get out there, and if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and make some stuff, buy some stuff, have a good time. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, we're going to see if we can put one of these together.